Hi guys, I have a really fun pinata tutorial for you today. Just in time for Super Bowl, we are doing a football pinata. This is a collab with a big group of ladies here on YouTube. I'm gonna link everybody's video below. We're all bringing you something for the Super Bowl. So a lot of recipes, a lot of fun stuff. I'm starting here with a piece of poster board and I drew a football shape, kind of like a lemon, as my daughter put it when she was watching me do this. I'm cutting it out and then that's my one piece. I'm gonna actually cut two of those out. And then I've got some strips, that's gonna be my side. And I'm gonna attach the strips to one of my lemon shapes using tape, really basic. I did this super easy. There's a lot of ways to do pinatas. I'm showing you the easiest technique. So now I'm taping both sides. I've got my like brim, right? And then I can flip it over and use more tape and attach my second lemon shape. I'm gonna stop saying lemon shape and start saying football shape, but my daughter thought I was making a lemon. It was totally cute. So just a lot of tape. Like I said, this is the easiest way. Some people like to do paper mache to make their pinatas. There's different ways, but this is the simplest. It was so quick and easy. Plenty of tape all the way around, and then of course you need to decorate it. So I'm using brown construction paper because that's what I had. I used all stuff that I had on hand. I'm cutting out some strips and then I'm gonna go in and do like some little slices into it. That's gonna give it that sort of feathered, textured pinata look. Of course, regular pinatas usually use tissue paper, but I couldn't find brown tissue paper. So now I'm gonna go around the sides and just use some glue and do like a layered look. Let the glue dry, and then I'm using my scissors and I'm just gonna trim off the excess. I don't want it spilling over the edges. And then I'm gonna do more strips of it along the flat side to just get it totally covered. You don't wanna see that white, you want it to be brown, right? It's a football. And then again, wait for the glue to dry and then I can trim off my excess. And now I'm gonna decorate like the front side. It's gotta have that white detailing, right? So I just used white construction paper, cut out some simple pieces. You just wanna get that, what would you call it, like a braid? That little like, you know what I'm talking about, the braided detail on a football. Really, really simple. Trim off your excess. Now, of course, you want to stuff it with candy. So I'm cutting just a little slot at the top, really easy. Just something that I can peel back, stuff it. You could tape that back in place after you filled it up. And then that's it. I used a little ribbon to like tape a little piece that you could hang it. This is a great thing to use if you need a project for kids. If you're having a Super Bowl party and you want something for the kids to do, this is totally fun. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the red subscribe button so you can see my weekly videos. I've got easy projects every single week. Now check out those other ladies. They're linked below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.